Hi everyone! Today we are going to unbox the new Lightforce Striker LED lights, which are made in Australia. I've recently purchased some from 4x4 Obsession. They are the main distributor and importer of Lightforce products in the UK. In the box is a warranty card, user instruction manual and all the necessary wiring. There is also 2 lights which come with a 3-year warranty. They have a 50,000 hour lifespan. They also have 5,625 raw luminums and are fully water and dust tight. If you want to see how they're fitted, or if you want to see just how bright they really are before I post a video next week with them fitted, then you can go on the Lightforce YouTube channel, and from there you can see just how amazing they really are. I've had 6 Land Rovers now, and I've always bought the cheap Chinese lights off eBay, and they are okay, but I'm looking forward to getting some proper lights on there now that are going to just be like 4 suns strapped to the front of my car. In the box there is also a wiring harness, plug and play adapters for the headlight beam, dashboard switch and everything you need for the install. All wires are individually labelled and the instruction manual is super easy to understand. You also get a cool little sticker and 3-year warranty card. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. If you subscribe, you'll be able to see the video next week that I post. Thanks for watching, bye bye.